Hey, I am HL Molly. Today, we will talk about 7 ultimate digital marketing jobs, pros, cons, and how much does a digital marketer earn. We will learn about all these topics in this video. Let's start without wasting any time. Okay, our first job is Digital Marketing Manager. Second is Social Media Manager. Third, Content Strategist. Fourth is SEO Specialist. Fifth, Content Writer. Sixth is Copywriter. And last, 7th, Email Marketer. There are not only 7 jobs in digital marketing. Apart from this, there are many jobs also, by learning which you can improve your skills. Okay, let's understand these points well. Digital marketing managers conduct marketing operations for a company or business through the internet and digital mediums. In this job, they have to conduct digital marketing work with experience, using various digital marketing tools. Second, Social Media Manager. Social Media Manager handles every activity of the users. And social media refers to virtual groups created by the internet or other means for mutual connection. It is a means of shared, participatory creation of individuals and communities. Third, Content Strategist. A content strategist plans, designs, creates, edits, and publishes relevant content based on the company's business objectives and users' needs. His main job is to develop a content strategy that can achieve business goals. Fourth job is SEO Specialist. As an SEO specialist, you will identify strategies, techniques, and tips to increase the number of visitors to a website and achieve higher ranking positions in the search engine results page. By generating more leads for the business, you will open up new opportunities for growth and increased profits. Fifth is Content Writer. Content writing means giving necessary information related to any subject by writing. Content writing can be of different types, such as writing blogs, writing scripts for podcasts, writing for YouTube, writing articles for newspapers or magazines, etc. Sixth job is Copywriter. Copywriters are responsible for creating attractive, straightforward text optimized for various advertising channels, such as websites or print ads. Their work involves researching keywords and proofreading their work to create interesting written content. Seventh job is Email Marketer. Email marketing is a powerful strategy to inform or create awareness about any product or service by sending emails to potential customers. Email marketing is one of the oldest methods of digital communication. There are many different types of emails you can send to your customers or their inboxes, like welcome email, new content announcement, newsletters email, confirmation email, and product update email. You can send multiple types of email and also set in automation. Any business without email marketing is not called a business. This is most important part of any online business. Let's talk about pros and cons of digital marketing. First, we will talk about cons. First, time consumption. The biggest demerit of online marketing is its time-consuming nature. Over time, you'll understand what works for your brand and what doesn't. Second is global competition. Online marketing gives every business a global reach. This also means that you'd have to face global competition. Third, maintenance cost. Online marketing helps cut off many expenses. It can also increase your expenses, for you need to bear expenses related to investment in technological gadgets and maintenance. Fourth is facing negative feedback and reviews. Any negative comment, review, feedback, or criticism about your brand can go viral quickly, damaging your brand's image. Now we should talk about pros of digital marketing. First, online marketing is affordable. One of the most important merits of online marketing is its affordability. Businesses need not spend much money and resources to market themselves online. Second, online marketing has a global reach. While traditional offline marketing is limited by geography, online marketing is not. This opens up opportunities for easily and affordably creating global marketing campaigns. Third, online marketing improves conversion rates. Conventional marketing requires consumers to perform various interruptive tasks such as traveling to a shop, making a phone call, etc. On the other hand, online marketing is coherent and seamless. Over time, you'll understand what works for your brand and what doesn't. You can reach people within a few clicks of their mouse, and you can even automate this process. Fourth, trackable and measurable. Web analytics and other digital metric tools enable businesses to track and analyze the effectiveness of their marketing campaigns online. Fifth is target specific audiences. Online marketing empowers you to target specific audiences in an easy and inexpensive way. These increase your conversion rates. This is some of the best advantages of digital marketing. Now, let's talk about salary. People keep wondering, how much does a digital marketer earn? A digital marketing is great demandable field in the market. The salary of a beginner digital marketer can range from $300 to $500. Expert salary. Starting salary of an expert digital marketer can be $500 to $1,000. Perhaps it could be more than this. These are some special digital marketing jobs that you can learn with your skills and earn passive income. I hope you enjoy this video. If you want to know more detail, so click on the link given in the description. Please don't forget to subscribe.